Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial,
I'll show you how to navigate to a 360 fisheye camera, to dewarp it, and to also show you different tools and how to view video on a 360 camera. So obviously on the top left hand side is your menu. You can search for a specific server or you can search for all cameras. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to navigate into our Portland office and view the downtown. You can also, if you know the name of a camera, you can come up here to the search icon on the top right hand side and search that way as well. So going into the 360 fisheye camera, you can dewarp simply by starting with a pinched finger and expanding it. So again, pinched finger, expanding it. You can also view different time slots by moving your particular timeline. As you can see in this particular time slot, let's see if we can find somebody. As you can see, somebody's walking up this way. You have the ability to pause it, dewarp, and rotate it to get a much clearer image. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials.
if you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.